from its burning. The sunset fades and dies, where sky and sea entwine on the winter shore. One solitary boat at anchor, a seagull hoarse with grief. What unseen sorrow lashes the flag so fiercely, a cry that tears the heart asunder. The seagull's ragged, desperate wail, like salt poured into open wounds. These memories sear and sting. Upon the hill where tempests of blossoms have passed, with fingers trembling like fragile reeds, eyes glistening with gathered dew, the trumpet cries. What unseen sorrow lashes the flag so fiercely, a cry that tears the heart asunder. The seagull's